Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
This video will guide you through the simple process of removing your Yahoo Mail account from your iPhone. This action will clear all associated Yahoo Mail, contacts, calendars, and notes directly from your device. However, your actual Yahoo account online will remain active and accessible from other places. To start, find and tap the Settings app icon on your iPhone's home screen. It usually looks like a gray gear. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down until you locate the section labeled Email. Tap on Email to proceed. Next, you will see Accounts listed as a sub-option within the Mail settings. Tap Accounts to reveal a list of all email accounts currently linked to your iPhone. Now, carefully identify and tap on your specific Yahoo account entry from this displayed list. On the subsequent screen, you'll find various settings for your selected Yahoo account. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this screen. There, you will discover a red Delete Account button. Tap this button to initiate the removal process. Your iPhone will then present a final confirmation prompt. A message will appear. Tap Delete from my iPhone to finalize the removal and confirm you wish to remove all associated Yahoo data from your device. Your Yahoo Mail account is now successfully disconnected and removed from your iPhone. You can always add it back later if you change your mind, or access your mail using a web browser.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.